Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat ke bakong san mentah kesni Shillong. Lengba ke spark, Shillong ke kena skol bangkeran pata. Shim benta ki isi na ki lai District Council banyak keren ke scheme 15 Finance Commission. Yo ying school kemai ke Maurong RMCA Higher Secondary School. Ban Markmat hau CM pensengau ke HB DRF yang jing e ipat Khubor. Bat mentang ini pai syaki Khubor ke bakambania. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrad ke Samla. Hak alpau terik Jymmang ula shim benta hak school program articulation resilience and kindness spark summit arhajar arpusan balapan long ha usosotham auditorium Shillong. Hakani kesni ladan lang menteri ketenat puli puthi rakam e sangma UMLA ka Kharkuta Rupert M Momin u sekretari ketenat puli puthi Swapnil Tembe baru director of school education and literacy ba bante lang kharshandi harangkat ki weide ki officer ki riurang ba kinong hikai bat ki Samla puli habakran hakani kesni menteri rangba ulong kidan shibu na ki pai ba nong shong shnong ki ba perkhat baga sorkar ka trei tang nak benta ki scheme bat ki program menteri rangba ulayat ho baki program ba pher halaki jong ki benta ki sno lang nak benta ki jing mentoy jong ka Jylla ula benrap ru da ka baong ki pai ba nong shong shnong jong ka ri India ki ba hakarta ka khatsan hadu khat khandai snem ki bon hadu kata ka Meghalaya ka de ka Jylla ka ba bon tam ki Samla ki ba hapo arpo snem kerta ka bala kenjo syaka sab khandai persen na ka jing bon briu kani ka Jylla ka don ru bon ba ki khlung khna ki ba hapo kerta ka ba saw snem bat ka de ka kamram jong kani ka pateng ban sandur ya ka lawai jong ki ula pen kenmau ula ong wat la ki dan shibun ki jing e Henry day hangni ki lat ki lenti ba bonjat ki play lengba ka spark ka early childhood development program empower MGMP yes Meghalaya bar ki program hakatnat sports bar ki way ulayat ho ka de ka jing thrang bat jing ang nur jong u ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya ka Jylla ka ba pernai wala day ban jam persha pon ba ki jing e bar ki ding pen kiang ban pen urlong ya ka ni ka jing ang nur ula benrap ru da ka baong ka Jylla Meghalaya kadai ka way na ki katu ka ni ki Jylla ki ba pai khmat syaka jinglong jingman haka jing embryo haka ni ka sni ka sorkar kala sam ya ki tablet chiki Samla puli ban pendan kam na ka benta ki jing mentoy haki jing puli jongki haba shim benta haki program haka ni ka sni ki khna school ki lapan pau ya ka jing kemen ka bakra namar ba lengba ka spark kila yo jing mentoy shibon namar ba kaya rap ki ban mi shakman da ka jing shlur ban kran pat ba badru ban ai men si me ki kumno ban ya khon ki jing e ba ki yakendo ha ka jing em jongki yakini ki program la penya da ka avenues ka seng ka bala pentibet ban ai jing hikai ban jing nang jing tip ha ki babun ki liang nalor ki kot puli ha ki khna school bar ki Samla puli ki yo na ki school.
And these different programs that we have, these dots, is what we then connect to then create the big picture that we want to bring in front of us and the vision that we have for the state as we move forward. 49% of our population is below 19. 49%. So you can see almost 50% of the population of Meghalaya is below the age of 20. And this group, you can see out here the age group of 45 and above. There are hardly about 5 or 6 lakh people who are above 45 in Meghalaya. That includes me also. So therefore, this is really what the challenge is, but this is also where the opportunity lies. And hence, programs like Spark, programs like early childhood development, programs like adolescents program, the Empower program that we have, programs like NGNP. Programs like Yes Meghalaya, focusing on sports, building up one of the largest sports infrastructures in the country. These are all investments we are making because of this chart that we see in front of us. Now, when I talk about that, I also want to share with you, I hope we'll all are on track with me here. For us, we realized that to be able to really take advantage of this demographic dividend, as we call it, is to ensure that we invest in our youth at every stage of their life. We can't start to think about them when they are 15 years old already. The planning has to start right from the point when they are in their mother's womb. The brain is developing, the body is developing during that time. And therefore, Meghalaya is one of the few states which focuses on what we call the life cycle approach. And this chart shows you what we're talking about. We have a separate program in terms of pregnancy. I don't know how many of you know this, but Meghalaya has had one of the highest maternal mortality rates. One of the highest when I took over in 2018. We were over 230 plus deaths every lakh population, which is way above the national average, which means every time a mother was bringing life into this world, 230 mothers were dying. And that is unacceptable. And so we started a program called Chief Minister.
Usembut Menteri Rangba bapet yakatna District Council Affairs ba Prestun Tensong. Haka arpau tarik Jymmang, ulalum ikinong yalam jongki lai teli ki District Council na Garo Hills, Jantia Hills, but na Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, banyak keren halor ki scheme jongki MDC na ki constituency sor balamang lengba ka 15th Finance Commission. Hagani ke Jylla ki CEM but ki executive member na baro ki lai teli ki District Council. Kila shim benta ki Jylla keren but ya merging mut halor ki scheme nak benta ki MDC constituency ki ba ki jaka sor Shillong, Jowai, Batura.
With all the three district councils, along with the related departments like Urban Affairs Department, DCA, and then even from finance, we sit down about the issue of the implementation of 15 Finance Commission grant, recommended by the 15 Finance Commission to all the three district councils. But in between, we have a little challenges relating to the area which falls under the urban area. Because even the district council, we have urban area constituencies like Tura, like Shillong, like Jylla. So what happened was, that schemes recommended by the 15th Finance Commission. It talks about the rural area, which is to be implemented by the three district council, and it was silent when you talk about the implementation of the very same scheme in urban area. So ultimately, we had a meeting today. I discussed with all the three district councils and then with the officers, and we have already requested the Urban Affairs Department to work out if something can be done for the urban area MDC constituency in the entire state, where they will also be able to get the so-called untied or tight fund as recommended by the 15th Finance Commission. So we have already decided. We entrusted now to the Urban Affairs Department, and I've already told also to the Commissioner Secretary of DCA to be in touch, and with all the three district council, I'm very sure we will be able to implement this same such scheme even in the urban
Uba
areas.
Charles Marngar
from-
MLA Mauhati Ulaple yaka yeng school batmai jangka Maurong RMSA Higher Secondary School kabadang shidap shna hakini ki kendiat benai. Hakani ke sengi ple ladon lang u Abhilash Branwal DC Ribhoi District kakong S Walang Principal kakong KB Jerwa District School Education Officer ba Bibi Makdo rang ba shnong kinong hikai kinong tre ki khana school ki keme ki kpa bat ki rirang ba nakane ka shnong. Yaki jingtrai bantai yakane ke school lasdang hau risau khat khandai tarik 8,000 arpawai nakamang pisa samagra shiksha abhiyan. Kani ke school kadai nak benta ki pait nong kendong ki bajingai nak ki jakasor bat ki nong shong shnong ki ba kham duna kham kerdo. Ha ka jingkran u Abhilash Branwal DC ulaya ro yaki result balami na kani ke school ha kini ki sinem balala. Ula penslur berkentu yaki nong hikai berki kena skol kumjo ban penlet jingmut haki jing puli jongki. Ula ong ru kum kini ki skol lakmi lenti ban mi bon ki kena ki ban kiu syakliar jong ka jing nang jing tep mar ban long ki nong yalam hakani ka Jylla. Ula ong yaki kena ban minot bha haki jing puli ban day ban not ban yakun bat kiwe bat ki kena skol ki ba puli haki skol ba paunam. Uba Charles Marngar MLA ru ulakar khu kerdo ekinong hikai bat eki kena skol ban minot top haki kamram kenang ban yok het eki so jongka jingjob haki jing puli jongki. Ulakan turu eki kena skol ban bo eka thong ban poisha kaliar jongka jing nang jing tip kenang ban long ki so pen inam nala ka jongka shnong haki para kena skol ka Jylla. Ka jingjob kawanra ya ka jingkemen hayeng hasem hasnong hatau bat haka district baro kawe ulaong. Kum kadak ban kersha neki kena jong kani ke school. Uba Charles Marngar ula ais ngobha arteli ki bicycle nagbanta armut ki kena school ki basong jingai na kani ke school kenang ba kinyo ban wantista man kasngi sha school.
Very idea of prosperity in unity. So thank you so much, Miss, for the inaugural address.
Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. As our Deputy Commissioner has said, that this building, new building, is a temple of education. I'm very happy to be here today to inaugurate this new building of the Maurong RMSA Higher Secondary School. Kendian akan Khubor, aku akan keren haki khasi akan bertajam pergi ke Shillong Maurong. Abangawan aku ni Shillong Maurong, aku akan berpau kendian kecik semua sarung. Ke Shillong Maurong, ke Shillong ke baru ke Jylla ke Jongi tiba. Ke Shillong Maurong ke Shillong Meghalaya tu UTC mana ke apa? Ke Shillong ba permi pun kirustan. Tangki pastor kendai mod kan. Kendai mod. Wei pastor Indonesia Amerika. MLA Lami, Vice Armoksha, MDC, Council, MCS, VRC, MDC, Pak Rangkan saya makadam. Umelung jongkari bahai, udah namorong, Pak Rolesan Syadam, ki engineer kimi nanti. Ki scientist kimi nanti, ilan sibun kira kurang kibami dari Shillong Maurong. Amar kita ngasong sarong banyo banyang sa sisipa hagani ke Shillong Maurong. Naitang gaway ngakwa manong kaligan. Ngamkwa babaro ki educated person. Ki breu planang ki plastat dari Shillong Maurong. You should not forget Maurong village. Hindi ban kelan ikisno mo. Kikna school nga kwa ban kelan ni pi nga po pa ong ikipa. La shani da plan na sta. Ani tu ipi. Nga no along emale. Madanga de chairman jong school managing committee. Jong long tree presbyterian secondary school. Ada national. Ketua school ka bayo champion yang super top up na kanila senang paladan. Ngalong presiden yang ke LP school has po national. Yang ke ikam senang kam tha.
Kaken hun baya kun nagabanta ki pa nong song snong badon hakitan kaput batip kum kah neutra border disputed redressal forum HBDRF hene gasngi kelaya kendu ya menteri rangba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma banyakran nakabanta ka hok kabaya day bat ki pa ba basyong basa hakisnong kaput Meghalaya Asang habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor unong yalam kaken hun ba Thomas Pasa ulayat ho Baha kajingkran nakaliang menteri rangba ula kular ban shimkhia halor kani kajingdawa jongki.
Tangbat pensuk ya ke sokar. Haba kaya ya kun ya keren ya dibit bat ka sokar asam ban pencisya bak kini kijaka kini jongi. Nadu kurang kuman. Kita berdukung. Bat nakaliang ke sokar kalau ongi bakan pet kini ikut Islam kini kiba keman mentoy pada ya ka ya sorkar iba apa ki kun ni ka kampung kapar pada aman nak kali ngajung ni ngak pau ya sorkar ngom kiyo pet bah ko ya dai bat ki pet bai ka sorkar kalau ada pau bah adhar long mandatory adhar ki borok mah ya bilik school le kalau guna kan sumarne adhar long mandatory apa tinggi pun pau ya CM yang bangi sosi pada ban pentit syaki bah ki Pak ba di perdok di pasnam ujangi di basong seti sekaput blok 1 blok 2 kim don ada. Kamu ngikini no ik hok jangi beli school. Ngikini no ik hok iki ban yo iki jimentoy yo hu wel clear of her. Kena kalian ngajongi ngilpan pau yo sokar bagi nak pentip Indonesia bagi pak ba ste kim don cudul terai kim don adhar kim don pankuat kim don residential kim don bot sakit. Takawara jinge sibun nyaki. Tek kedai ke kamram jong sokar ban facility di kini ban ngak ngilkan gawi bentang. Tang namar baki sa apo kajaka kabay kajak kaput kamut bakim de syukibre kamut bakim don kam jik sumar kamut kim don kam subani school lekule kamut bakim don kam jiharap syukai dekini kibade ki jington kam kiba hak banai sokar kali don penting kana ban penyobat nak kalian juga sokar ka jongi ko ka kinta simkhiai kene bentang ba ki jongi lagi kuat ban apply ke residential nang ni di ban ailat bai ki kuat ban yo adhar nang ni di ban ailat ban dei ban don ba penbon ba hab lik lia bai sti po asam ke ka balai ban dia nak kalian ke jongi yang beli hab ban pej ya ka human rights ke jongi ni beri ngila penting sei wa nak kalian ka jongi ngila de tho ya wei ka jing penkan ya ka hok long beri man beri jongi pai ba ki sa po blok 1 ya complain sebab ka state human rights commission bat nakalian ka commission kala ai cuba ni bat kala pentip ban namar ba kathi ka jaga ka de ka bay kini paling bat koi pada state kabodan nu la ka jong ka commission tekan ba bangin tho sebab ka national human rights commission ta ini jut bentar ni ka pentip sia sosial ba ni au ba ka dan ka jing bambiang ni ka bam undi ju pai ba state ka human rights commission kaji memdan ki jaka sumar ki basic medical requirement is a human right violation. Kaji memdan ki sorok ki babah ki yang is a human right violation. Kadang yung sarkar kena penting kana ba omdan manuru ban simno ban kini no ya kata ka hok long beri man beri jogini perdok personal jogi di bahasa hakri kapun ban meeting kalau ka sutrat ni kermen ni humility ba hakini kendian tayo let's say kansa don kanong no kacingni ka ba let's say ka man mentoy penhun yang ikendia dalam dari sibun mararo
NAKA jingther ulap ba kabala sedang nadu kamit kat kendai tarik Jymmang berbeteng hadu ke step arpau tarik. Kabala wanra ek jing shlei hakani kathan kamtam hasnong per bernihat hakabaka kalarung shiki shnong ki gieng briu ki skul padap semam klem ailat shu watang banyat dan tiru. Hadu baki don ki skul kum ka St. Jude High Secondary School kala hab ban ai shutino na marka kaladap tang hapelau henrei kalarung shadu ki kamra kelas. Kani ke jing shlei jangka hakani ke shnong kadai ka bala jujia man kisnem badbu shibun ki jing yaki ba na markim yoshu tang ban mi na laki jong ki yeng kisem ban let trei let kta kila shu ap tang ban rengat no ka ban yo pen khut yala ki yeng shong house nam baladem UMLA ka jirang ba sostinu sotun ulayarap ban pen khut yaki nala ki badon kani ka shnong henrei layo kini kinala kila dap bat shlei de ki jabo jaban ka bala penlong ya kani ka than ban shlei maria hab uslap perem
ini mentada
bye bye.
Badak itu ki Khubor nglapoy sa kapakot terhadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibon.